Hi everybody! This video is going to be nothing in particular except me walking around the woods looking for cool things. Hello! So we'll see if I can find anything cool, and I thought for those of you that are trapped inside, we'll see if we find anything good. And if you want to hang out with me and walk through the woods with me, then that's cool. But that's pretty much what I plan to do here. And so let's see if I find anything cool. Ooh. I love little baby ferns and moss. Let's see if there's anything cool under there. It's too decomposed to pick up. I was thinking about how it's a blessing but a curse that I work from home, because at least when you're working out of the house, you actually leave the house. Here's a little baby hemlock, I think. Yeah. So they have little white stripes on the underside, but it's kind of hard to see. There you go. And they're flattened needles. Needles are flat. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, and then the whole day goes by and I realize I haven't even gone outside. So here's my little evening walk outside. And we still have some snow here. I like walking through these areas of downed branches and just kind of, it's all let go, and there's just always fun things. Usually in the spring I find a lot of mushrooms around here, but definitely salamanders all the time. Oh, what's that? Just some bugs. That's an old puffball mushroom, I think. Yeah. So they'll come back here. So I like coming out even at this time of year. So here are more old ones. These are edible. And I know that they will be here in the spring, so I can come get some to eat. I feel like I just heard a deer. I don't know. Let's see if there's anything under these. The other day I was out looking under all these logs and rocks, and I ended up just seeing a salamander randomly on a log. I wasn't even looking for it. And sometimes that's just how it goes. That's fun. I think that this might be a deer trail. You can kind of see that it's a trail through the woods there. Been stomped on. Looks like there's been some stepping on that log. Usually you need a nice like flat log. It's just like the leftover of a walnut shell. So, where's the walnut tree? Ah. Oh no, it's a hickory shell. It's a hickory. I'm sorry. It's a shell bark hickory. Why won't you focus? Doesn't seem to want to focus. There we go. And here is where it came from. This tree here is it's either a shagbark hickory or a shellbark hickory. I think it's probably a shagbark hickory. I'm not sure. They look so similar. But basically the bark peels off in these strips. And sometimes they get really bad and kind of twist out. Like here's one over here that's really pulled away. And then they just kind of flop over. And that's a hickory. Little fungus. Little baby fungus. It's cool. It's cool. That's my tagline when I find things. That's pretty cool. Let's see there. Well, if I find a salamander for you guys today, it's pretty chilly, but usually some are out. Let's see. Another hickory case there. Hickories are actually really definable by their outside of the shell, but I don't remember what they are, the difference, because it's been too long. I should look it up. There's another puffball. I can still smell it. It smells like a puffball still. But it's very much past its prime, obviously. This looks like a good log. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can find anything under this one. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Oh, I can't do it. I'm too weak. Maybe these guys. Well, I just got the notification that my battery is gonna die. So, if it does, that will be the end of the video. So it looks like no salamander on this one. Have to tune in next week. See y'all later.